हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। दिस इज अर्श गोयल। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं री लेवल की। बहुत सारी वीडियोस में मैंने री लेवल के बारे में बात की है कि री लेवल एक कोई प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसके थ्रू आपको जॉब मिल सकती है इन बैक एंड डेवलपमेंट, फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट। बट डू यू रियली थिंक कि इज इट वर्थ इट? तो आज की इस वीडियो में विल बी गोइंग टू डिस्कस कि इसका कंप्लीट प्रोसेस क्या है, हाउ डू यू अप्लाई फॉर द जॉब एट री लेवल एंड हाउ यू कैन फाइनली गेट टू दैट पर्टिकुलर जॉब। मतलब आई ट्राई टू कॉन्टैक्ट डिफरेंट पीपल हु हैव अचीव्ड थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म। मतलब they have scored well, they have got an interview and they have finally selected for a particular company through this. But as he was not comfortable to come on the channel, तो मैंने उससे सारी इंफॉर्मेशन ले ली कि क्या क्या होता है, क्या क्या प्रोसेस था, what were the difficulty level and मतलब different राउंड्स के क्या क्या पैरामीटर्स थे through which he was evaluated, and I have मतलब made this video in that respect ताकि you can get to know कि how you can also achieve the same through that particular platform. And so now that it's completely free, so it's must that you should give it a try. तो सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं what is Re-Level. So Re-Level is basically a platform by Unacademy through which you can get a job at a different company in different domains like business development, back-end development and front-end development. Currently these three domains are there. Like if you're interested in any of the jobs in these three domains, there are very good startups like Cred, like Razorpay, like Meesho. So they all are hiring through their platform, and different companies you will see ki what are the parameters of hiring. So these companies are currently hiring in these three different domains, and all you have to do is you have to go on their site, you have to register in one particular domain and choose a slot for your test. Like when you want to give a test, like in next 1 week or next 2 weeks, so you can select a particular timeline, a particular date and a particular timing for that particular date on which you want to give that particular test. Once you give that test, then you have a particular score in your hand. If that score is above 700, then you can definitely land an interview with some of the amazing companies. Like your profile will be shown to the recruiters ki yeah, this person has performed really well in our test and he is capable of clearing your interviews. Then you will be called for interviews by those companies. So this is basically the procedure of what Re-Level is. Now deep diving into the test, how this test is conducted and what are the important parameters of this test. When I say currently I'll be talking only about backend development test. So if you are interested in backend, so do watch this video ki if you are looking forward to give the test for backend development. तो बात कर लेते हैं what was the process, what was the procedure, what are the different number of rounds in the backend development test. When I say backend development test, so there were 5 number of rounds. When I say these 5 number of rounds, the first consists of an aptitude test based upon C++ output questions based upon time complexities, questions based upon operating systems, like different scheduling algorithms of operating system and how those scheduling algorithms can help you find a particular timeline. So these kind of questions were there in the MCQ test. The level of MCQ test as per the person was easy to medium. You can solve these MCQs given that you have a good hand-on practice over data structure algorithms and basic fundamentals of C++ programming language. Next round after this was a basic coding test in which there were 3 coding questions. The level of difficulty of these coding questions was medium to hard difficulty level, but like they were majorly based upon, some questions were based upon dynamic programming, some questions were based upon graph theory, and some questions were even based upon segment trees. So make sure you are well versed with coding and you should be able to clear this round with flying colors. The third round after this was basically purely related to backend development. When I say backend development, so there was a task given to you whether you have to design your own API. So let's say for example you have to design a Facebook API in which you have to design a login API in which you have to design to like a post API. Different APIs you have to design, and you will be given 2 choices to choose upon which particular framework or which particular API you want to build, and you can choose out of these 2, and that would be it. Like that's it. You have to submit that API that you have built, and that will finally take you to the next round. Once you are approved from this third round, then there is the fourth round that is known as optimize your code. Like the API that you have built in the third round, in the fourth round you have to optimize that API so that you can improve in the terms of more features, in the terms of efficiency. So that was the fourth round, and as per the person, this was one of the the most challenging part of the process is this API designing and API optimization. After you're done with API optimization, there is a final interview that you land with, and that interview is normal interview in which you'll be asked questions based upon your data structure algorithms. So when I say data structure algorithm, interview level was not very tough. It was easy to medium again. Questions were based upon linked lists, stacks, arrays, and strings. So make sure you are well versed with all these data structures. So this was the entire procedure on how Relevel conducts their backend development test. So if you're looking forward to give this test, so definitely check the link in the description below and apply for the same. And if you think that you will be able to clear these tests, I would say definitely give it a try, even if you are not very comfortable with the things. But definitely that can help you get a job at some of the amazing companies like Razorpay, Cred, and some other startups. So make sure you apply for the same. And this was all for the video. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Let's meet in some other video. Till then, stay tuned. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye.